Hi guys, well we've gotten back into Dylan's boot lid again. We've looked at it long enough and thought about it long enough, and it's like it isn't going to get done if we don't do it, so we're just going to try and cut it out. What's the worst that happens? He's got a boot lid that he can't use and we have to buy one of those ones from Alpha Fiberglass, but we'll give it a shot. We'll cut it out and see what happens. There's no way you could have left it the way it was. There was no physical way that it was ever going to be usable to put paint on. If you did, within the first couple of months, the rust would have just been breaking through the paint, and you can't match pearl. So I can't match pearl. So that was going to be a no-win situation anyway. So we've gotten what was left of the inner boot lid cut out. Now we just got to put our folded piece of metal in there. We've traced a line where we're going to do the final cut, and hopefully it all fits, and we'll run you through that. So we'll get this off, get it trimmed, and get into it from there. Okay. Okay, so we've got this all cut out. Get you down in here, and so as you can see from the underside of the skin, that was all about to break out and come through. In here was all flaky and chewy. So we've got the inner one cut out roughly all the way through. And we've got our infill ready to go in. We'll get it all painted up on the underside of the insert there with some weld through primer, and we'll get it tacked in and see if we can't get it to sit in and sit how we want. Okay, so it's all in. As good as I'm going to be able to get it, so let's see if we can line it with not enough metal. Okay, so that's all welded in. No, we're not done, but we now no longer have any rot through the inner structure, all the way across is solid. No, I don't pretend to be a welder or a sheet for metal guy. I am a mechanic, and that would explain the welding. Yep, but I'm pretty good with a grinder, so that will look good when it's all finished, and we'll give it a bit of a touch up with the filler. We clamped the skin down so it was all nice and neat, and re-drilled the holes using the holes in the skin for the centre badge on the boot lid. So that way we now have them there. So when we make the outer skin, we're going to have holes on the inner structure to put our reference back in. All the shape is pretty much still held. The curves on the outer side didn't move. It's a little bit wavy down towards the end where I unfolded the lip, but that's nothing that's been affected on the inner structure. So now the next step is, once we grind that all back and clean it up, we will then move on to the outer part of the skin and some of our arts and crafts paper. So what we're going to do up there is lay a paper template down along the back face, and we're going to stay well under the keyhole. So we're probably going to stay an inch and a half below the keyhole and replace that back edge the whole way along. Because it's not too bad on the outside, and like I said, there was only those couple little holes that broke through under where the badge was, but when we took the inner structure out, the inside of that skin is well rotted the whole way along. Alright, so nice short one for now. I'll get in through the week and dress those welds up and start grinding them back and cleaning them up. I'll get some more discs for the little air sander. And yeah, we'll catch up with you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Rumors spreading round in that Texas town about the shack outside the game. And you know what I'm talking about. Just let me know if you wanna go to that home out on the range. They got a lot of nice girls.